Merhaba and Namaste. I'm Upasana and welcome back to my channel. For a person like me who hates shopping malls, this place is a game changer. Welcome to the Venezia Mega Outlet. It's beautiful. The best means of public transport to get to the Venezia Mega Outlet is the tram. This place is also called the Little Venice of Istanbul, and I'll show you why in a little bit. Et voila! This place has got gondola rides just like in Venice. By the way, this is my first time at this mall, so I'm seeing this place with you for the first time. Let's see what's in store. You name the brand and you'll find it in the Venezia Mega Outlet. Usually I hate malls because they're always so crowded, but this mall, like I said, is a complete game changer. And if you're ever in Istanbul and you have to visit one mall, this is the place. As you can see, the gondola rides line the interior of the entirety of the mall. replica of the Doge's Palace in Venice, along with the column here. I'm super hungry already and I'm looking for a place to eat something. I guess I'm gonna eat here. I want to try the potato chips with the Mexican sauce. Yum, although it's super charred at some places, but the sizzling cheese, yum. Amazing. Calling it a day now, and it's definitely time to head home. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.